Good morning all. Myself Anu Jose. I am working as an assistant professor in Department of ISC CMRIT Bangalore, and this is my website link. From there you will get to know about my research interest. You can contact me in the academic year 2021 for the following things. First of all, I am handling your computer organization subject for all the three sections A, B and C. And I am handling the data structure lab for C section students, and I am the class teacher for A section students. Other than that, I am handling the TYL as well as placement department level coordinator. So instead of computer organization or data structure lab, those details I am planning to give in our first class. It's first class only. And other than that, I just want to give you an overview about what is the TYL plan of CMRIT. Already you are the part of the TYL in your first and second semester, and you have written few tests regarding the same. I just want to include what all are the tests you are supposed to clear in the current academic year, including the third semester and fourth semester. So as you know, we will be having 5 type of tests: CX, PX, AX, SX and LX. So I think almost all tests you have written in the first semester itself, first and second semester itself, first year itself. Okay. So we will see what is the CX is core skills, PX is programming skills, AX is aptitude skills, SX is soft skills and LX is language skills. We will see what all are the things you should do in the third semester and fourth semester. So first we will see about core skills or CX test. So in core skills you have already cleared 2 tests, that is C2 physics and C2 chemistry in your first year. Other than that, in the second year you are supposed to do the remaining test like C3 odd, C3 even and C3 full. Especially in the third semester you should do C3 odd. That means all third semester core subject you should study, and based on that you will be having an MCQ based test that you should clear in the third semester itself. Other than that, in the second year you will be having, that means in the fourth semester you will be having C3 even, that is completely based on the fourth semester core subject, and C3 full will also be there, that will be covering all core subject from first semester to fourth semester. So this is all about core test. So what you are supposed to do is, in the third semester you should clear C3 odd, which will be based on the third semester core subject. So now we'll see what all are the core subjects you are having. These all are the subjects you are having. All the theory subjects will be included in the core set. Data structure, analog and digital electronics, computer organization, software engineering, discrete mathematical structures, all those subjects are included in your core test. Now we will see about what is the programming test you are supposed to write. So CX is over, you will be having 3 tests: C3 odd, C3 even and C3 full. Now programming skills, what are the tests? Already you have cleared P1 basics with a C in your first year. Other than that, in third semester you should write 2 tests and you should clear 2 tests, that is P2 Python and P2 C. P2 Python has mentioned as TYL, so it means you will be getting a new faculty from CMRIT for training you. So what we have done is, we have added a new subject to the curriculum like P2 Python. From there you will be get to know about what are the basics of Python, and it will be really helping you to do the mini projects and all. And the second one is a P2C. So P2C is based on the VTU syllabus. Actually it is mapped with your data structure subject. So whatever you are studying in the data structure, based on that you will get the questions for P2C. So both the things you should clear in your third semester itself. And in fourth semester you will be having P2 advanced one test. That P2 advanced is written as TYL. It means that you will be having a separate training in the fourth semester for P2 advanced. Based on that you will be having a test. So what you are supposed to do is, in the third semester you should clear P2 Python and P2C. P2C is based on the data structure, and P2 Python you will be getting a new faculty for teaching that subject, and based on that you will be having a test. So both you should study and clear. That's all about P2 training. Next is non-technical part, that you have already covered first level of aptitude, soft skills and engineering skills. The aptitude second level and the soft skills second level will be resuming in the fifth semester. So you need not worry anything in your second year, third semester and fourth semester. Okay, that skills, aptitude skills as well as soft skills will be resuming in the fifth semester only. Okay. And regarding TYL, if you have any suggestions or feedback, you can just send me a mail regarding your concerns. So my mail ID is anu.j@cmrit.ac.in. Thank you.